Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can make text bold in your Instagram post. So first, open your Instagram application and try creating a post. Select the post and then tap on next. In the add a caption section, write a desired caption that you want to post. Then after, tap and hold onto it and select the specific sentence or word and then tap on copy. Now open your Google Chrome or any other application like Google Chrome. Here search for bold text generator. Go to any trusted website and on the generator website paste your copied text into the provided text box. The tool will automatically display various bold font styles. Select and copy your preferred style. Select it and tap on copy. Come back, open your Instagram, and in the caption section, simply paste the bold text that you just copied. Then after, tap on OK in the top right, and then tap on share. Your text now will appear stylish and eye-catching. You can now post your image on Instagram with the bold caption without any problems. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.